Hello, good evening, my brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Setemenik biakwenihu, gyotu wa yare now. Omeochiwa, St. Leslie uyi osunde, ivedegbela dia. Please, I'm here this Friday evening to come and talk to you again, because the situation at hand regarding the kidnap of Osayomore Joseph, till now we still have not heard anything concerning it, and it's a very worrying situation right now. And I think everybody should rise up to the occasion to begin to demand that the governor of the state speak up, the commissioner of the state speak up, because they are very, very silent about this matter. And this is a serious situation. You cannot allow this kind of thing to continue to happen in a state. Since the kidnap of Ambassador Osayomore Joseph, the governor has not come to address the public. The police commissioner have not come out to address the public. People have not really come out to address the public concerning this situation, and they just think that we just keep quiet and not to do anything about it. Please, brothers and sisters, people of Edo State, I'm calling you to begin to raise your voice. Let us begin to demand that the state government do something concerning this issue. The security of the state is in the hand of Governor Obaseki. He is the chief security officer of Edo State. The police state commissioner is the one that is handling the police affairs in the state. Even the AIG office, though the AIG's office is not under the commissioner, the AIG's office is linked directly to the IG's office in Abuja. These people should come forward and address these people, address us. They should come and tell us how far they have gone, what they are doing, what they want the public to do. What if they want support from the public? They should come and address. If they are going to put reward out there for people to come and give them information, they should please come out and do so. We cannot just allow this kind of thing to happen. Now, for about 3 days or more now, this man has been kidnapped, and nobody have heard anything about it. Even the situation of Ehanire that took place at the Ogba Zoo, even right now, nobody have heard anything. The police is quiet. The DSS is quiet. The governor is quiet. The police commissioner is quiet. They should not be quiet. The state government should rise up to the occasion, and they should tell us what they have been doing since this thing happened. It is not about arresting innocent civilians. That is always their work. Not when Curtis Ugbo talk, they go and arrest him. When Mr. Dokpayi talk, they go and arrest him. When the other person talk, they go and arrest him. I told you the other time, I said the reason they were arresting people is because very few people are talking. Let us begin to talk. Let a lot of people begin to talk. When the voice is loud, then they will be forced to listen. Let the Edo women come up. Ikwenu bini wakbagbe Osayomore Joseph no si wan orienien wagbe yi eyin amuna eyin aduemu awa mo anagba wa duemu awa duemu na due ukpomu omanagbo na hin iri ikwedo waje wakbagbe wa duemi ti wa duikoyo iri ikwe kiosa ikwe kioba ikwe kienu bini wa ya pagbe ike agbado wa ya pagbe wa tubwe governor ade wa rie House of Assembly wa ya neota wa rie House of Assembly wa neota wa rie police commissioner CID office wa ya neota. Because even ya mwe Osayomore na kata mwedero when ya mwe Osayomore na ahwe ya seti do moda fon ya seti be mohwe ya seti mo wana esikewe because Edo we ukonos wo we eyin agbe omayewe agbe roma egbe agbe. So we have to rise up. If Edo wa bagbe, let us begin to demand that these people should stand up to their own responsibility. The police commissioner have to come up and tell us what they have been doing. Even since after the adoption of Osayomore Joseph, another professor has just been killed, not even kidnapped now. This one killed yesterday. No dem now. He never bother me. How should Edo become a hot spot? Why should Edo become a hot spot? You know that Christmas is coming. A lot of people, a lot of Edo indigenes live outside the country. They are all in Europe and America, in Asia, even African countries. During festivity period like Christmas, people like to come home to come and felicitate with their family. But now, the way situation is now, who is that person that will not boldly want to come home? And the people, you know, Edo State has no industrialization, no money. The only money we get from the state is the one that is being brought in by diaspora citizens. When the diaspora citizens, they bring in hard currency, it helps the state government. It helps the economy of the state. Now, with all these spate of killing and kidnapping, people will be afraid to come. And when they don't come, where will the state get money from? Where will the state get money from? Are you thinking about this? The police should not only be interested in bribe taking. When a situation like this is at hand, they should be alive to their responsibility. Even if you have not caught the kidnappers, at least address the public. Let us know what you are doing, how far you have gone, whether you are on top of the situation or not. You should not just keep quiet and nobody is talking to anybody and you expect that we should keep quiet. They know that, normally you know that after so many days, they will keep quiet. They will say, leave them. After some time, they will all keep quiet and the whole thing, everything goes back to normal. No, things cannot go back to normal. Things cannot go back to normal. We will not allow things to go back to normal. Please, my people, if you are hearing me, share this video wide. Begin to share. Begin to let it reach as many people as possible. That we begin to stand up and begin to talk about this situation. We cannot just keep quiet and let this thing die. We cannot keep quiet and let it die. Let us speak. Let us rise up. If you cannot speak yourself, write something on your wall. If you cannot write, share what somebody has said. Like this video, you can share it wide. Share it on your wall. Do it every day. Let people hear. Let it go fast so that people can rise up. The women of Edo State should rise up. Ikweki waya kpagbe. Wakpagbe waya no basekiota. We will soon wedo. Waya ne commissioner ta. We will soon wedo. Waya office of the AIG. Waya ne ota. Waya House of Assembly the Ring Road. Waya ne ota. Because only igo ni have your ekbo ukuki. Ni have your ekpo cookie. Even when I win any aya and winner a so yet you have vigi my ekpo via man winner. Obaseki cannot just be a governor that pays salary and go to bed and sleep. No, if we don't sleep, he should not sleep. If the citizens don't sleep, if they don't allow us to sleep, we will not allow them to sleep. That is the truth. The governor will not see sleep if we cannot see sleep. How can we live in a society where we'll be afraid to walk on the street, where we'll be afraid to sleep in the night, where we'll be afraid to even relax and have a conversation with a friend? Why should we live in this society? They should be up and doing. Yes, we know there are many factors that have led to the spate of kidnappings. But now that the kidnapping has happened, the killings has happened, what is the state doing? What is the police doing? What is the DSS doing? What are they doing? Do they just want they don't want the water to flow under the river just like that, so that they wait for the next person? Just yesterday, somebody else was killed. Maybe today, another person. Tomorrow, another person. So we should demand. The youth of this nation should rise up. You should rise up and begin to demand for the rightful thing to be done in the society. Because these people, they cannot continue to take us for fools. They cannot continue to take us for fools. We are Edo people. We are a very forceful people. You cannot just come to the state and do as you like and rule us as you like and go. Because the way I heard that when they wanted to do police posting to Edo State, to states, all the police commissioners, they will be bribing to come to Edo State. They will bribe whoever is in charge of their posting to come to Edo State because they think there's a lot of money here. You cannot come here, begin to collect bribe and not do anything. So what is the police doing? To stop vehicle and ask for particulars or license and driving license, abi not to stop small boys till they search their telephone. They say they'll be Yahoo boys, or to they search back for computer. Now, is that what you were employed as a policeman to do? So the police, I'm not talking about the ordinary police on the street. I'm talking about, I'm talking to the police commissioner, because the police, ordinary police on the street, they take order from above. So they do whatever they are asked to do. If police on the street are searching people's phone, it is because of the order from above. If they are searching for people's computer and laptop, it's from order from above. Today, anybody with a phone now or with a laptop, they just assume they are 419. So this is a serious matter at hand. The Edo Police Command, Edo State Police Command, should rise up and begin to do something. Do something and tell us what you have done. Make our lives safe. If you don't make our lives safe, we will begin to cry in your ear day and night until you sit up and do something. I'm talking to the police commissioner. Sit up and do something. I will not insult anybody, but they should be alive to their responsibility. The police should be alive to their responsibility. This thing cannot just happen to Osayomore Joseph and will allow it to go like that. That is the truth. That is the truth. Edo State people, youth, young men, young women, rise up to the challenge. Begin to ask. Write on your Facebook wall. And from today on, let everybody put Osayomore Joseph picture on their Facebook profile. Put Osayomore Joseph picture on your Facebook profile, so that whenever they open Facebook, they see the picture. Let the spirit of Edo people begin to haunt them. Whoever is responsible for this kidnap, they should bring Osayomore Joseph back. They should bring him back, because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Now that the Christmas is approaching, we need to be assured that the state is safe. We need to be assured by the police that the state is safe. We are not, just look at the other time, a police job in Anambra State, where Nnamdi Kanu was. A job that was supposed to be done by the police, they folded their hand and they allowed the military to go and be doing crocodile python dance for them. And the army was doing python dance and the policemen were folding their hands. So the police should be alive to their responsibility. They should be alive to their responsibility. This is what you do that make the army to come and overthrow you and do your job. Any police commissioner that does not do his job, it should be removed. Within the next 1 week, if the police commissioner do not do anything about this situation, the police commissioner should be removed. We don't want a police commissioner in Edo State that will place our state in chaos, that will not make our life to be safe. If this police commissioner that is presently in Edo State, is it Gwandu, that is his name, if he cannot perform, let him leave. Let him leave. Let the state government write for his transfer. Tell them you don't want him. He cannot work with you. If he cannot make the state safe, he should go. They should take him to Borno State. They should take him to any other state. But not Edo State. We need an active policeman. We don't even need an Hausa police in Edo State. There are police in the west, men in the west, from the east. Let them come. It doesn't have to be an Hausa man, because they don't care whether we die, whether we survive. That is the truth. For them, as much as anything that is happening can happen. Because of this, the same reason why they are not talking to the Fulani herdsmen that is attacking our people. They are not talking to them because the person at the police state commissioner is an Hausa Fulani man. So if you cannot work, let him go. Let the Benin people begin to demand that the police commissioner do something or move out of the state. And if you don't do something, let him go out. Let him go out. The state government should write for his transfer, that he doesn't need him. The state government should look for somebody who will be able to work with him to assure the safety of the people of the state. To assure the people of the safety of the state. Because the Edo State does not have anything. There is no industry. There is no factory. There is nothing that is bringing money to to the state. The only thing that bring money to the state are the citizens of the state that live outside the country. They repatriate money home every month. And at the end of the year like this, they come home en masse to come and felicitate with their people. Now with this armed robbery, with this kidnapping, how will people want to come home? How will they want to come home? And why should they want to come home and risk their life? If you cannot safeguard the people there, who are managing, why do you expect people that is coming to come and be endanger themselves? So instead of you to chase out of our state, we will chase you out. And if Obaseki does not sit up right now, the next election we will work against him to be removed from there, because you cannot just allow the state to be burning, and you cannot even have the single courtesy to call a press conference and address the people. What kind of a governor are you? The people that something is being done about it, you just keep quiet. You are running from pillar to post. Running from pillar to post. Do you know what it means to govern a people? There are different departments in a state, in ministry. You have Ministry of Justice, Education, Defense, whatever. There are different ministries. You should be up and doing in every part of every aspect of it. So the state governor should sit up. The Benin people, the Benin women should rise up. Rise up. Demand that these people do something to secure your children. Waso wa viok yo we bok yon waso yo Obaseki ru waso yo wa ari na governor's office wa yaso ikwe kiosa ikwe kioba ikwe kenu Bini ikwe ki agbado ekioka ekio egbeni wa yaso ikwo wa yaso, because here agbe ibi wa you wa ona here agbe ibi wa you wa ona. When you was one kere na wa mi kere no wa ke okin no kwa wa ke omobo na ge ohun no ya de mi re we bukala in have do emu de egbomo re wo ave gbomo na uwa maso wa mi no da mi wa. Okay, but the problem in Ayasu now, how did it escalate to this situation? When Evans was arrested, people were celebrating Evans. They were celebrating Evans. They were idolizing him. They were giving him big name. They call him billionaire kidnapper. A billionaire. Even the press was one of the problems we have. They call him billionaire kidnapper Evans. He has to the extent people were not even grouping themselves to go and demonstrate and say free free Evans. So said if politicians are stealing money and nobody have arrested them, why should they arrest Evans? Now Evans has stolen. Evans has been idolized. Now the way you people clap hand for Evans as a kidnapper, billionaire kidnapper, now people want to emulate Evans. People want to emulate Evans. Look at Nollywood. Before you know, under 2 weeks, Nollywood hurriedly and rushed, they go and produce a movie, Evans the Kidnapper. What kind of a society are we? What kind of society is that? You glamorize criminality. You make a criminal feel big. Look at when they were, do you see where they were interviewing Evans? In a very posh environment with executive chair. They give him a VIP treatment. A criminal, you give him a VIP treatment. Now, if you falsify criminality, you are making it possible for other people to want to become criminals. You want people to become criminals by dignifying criminality. That is what these people is doing. That is what they are doing. You dignify criminality. You make people to worship money. You buy cars, especially the politicians. You buy cars with the taxpayer money, and you buy cars that you don't use. You begin to exchange cars daily, and you want people to be looking at you. People who knew you that you didn't even go to school, who knew you that you didn't even you were just a jobless tout. Because you join politics and you happen to be elected or appointed into one position, before you know, you start using money anyhow, and you want them to be looking at you. The unfortunate thing is that this criminal element, they are not even kidnapping you, they are kidnapping innocent people. What does Osayemore Joseph have? What does he have? The guy has been in music for ages, for centuries. The guy has been in music. Now that he came back to the state, he has been doing well, managing his life. He's a social critic. He criticized the society with his music. He's a social critic. Then, because the guy is not a wealthy man, he's not a rich man. He's just a normal guy. And he was kidnapped. Now, just look at, the guy was kidnapped when he even left the Oba Palace. That is to tell you that this criminal element, they don't fear anybody. They don't fear anybody. So it is not like it's people who these are not just anyhow people. So if they can deal with Ehanire, they have arrested. They have kidnapped Ehanire and killing 3 police officers on the spot. And by the way, what is the police commissioner doing because of the loss of the lives of those 3 police officers? You don't even value the lives of those police officers. I'm talking to you, Commissioner of Police Gwandu. You don't value the lives of those 3 police officers. Do you know that when you do nothing because of the life of those 3 police officers, the next gang will do worse than that, because they know even if they kill 100 policemen, there's nothing you can do. That is why soldiers are even better than you. Touch one soldier man, you will see they will hunt you down. Now they've killed you. All you guys are interested in his bribe. His bribe. That's what you are interested in. You are searching children's phone. Children with Android phone, you are searching. With BlackBerry, you are searching. Even children will carry Nokia 3310, we don't get browsing power. You guys are searching. You are looking for one excuse to arrest innocent children. The other day you were arresting somebody because he was wearing dread. What it concern dread? Which kind of law? Now he say me person not wear dread for that country. So people with laptop, you don't even know if it's a laptop technician. You don't even know if it's an IT officer. You don't even care. As long as you see laptop, you don't catch criminal. You don't catch criminal with that. Anybody with a laptop has become a 419 in your eye. The real criminals, a real criminal will just give you 500 naira with a kidnapped victim in the booth. You will say, "Sean, sir." You will salute him and let him go. You will not even search. That is the mentality the police have. Kidnap somebody, put him in the booth. Drive to the checkpoint, just give him 500 naira. If you give them 1,000 naira, they go somersault, slap the next driver way, block your way. Okay, Sean, sir, move ahead. That is what you're doing, and it is wrong. It is wrong, because if this gentleman, the lecturer that was killed yesterday, if you don't catch the killers, the blood of this man will be required in the hand of the police commissioner. Yes. The buck stop at your table, police commissioner, and Governor Obaseki, because Governor Obaseki is the chief security officer of the state. The police commissioner is answerable to the governor. So, as the buck stops at the table of the police commissioner Gwandu, the Gwandu will not shift the buck to your table, Godwin Obaseki, Governor Godwin Obaseki, unless you do something to assure us that we are safe. Do something to assure us that we are safe. That is just an update on concerning the Osayemore Joseph. And we will continue to be on your neck until you do something. By tomorrow, if nothing happens, we will mobilize more people and we shout more. We will shout to the rooftop. You will not see sleep as long as you do not let Edo people sleep. If you don't let Edo Ijide receive peace, you will not receive peace. We will not allow you to have peace. We will begin to trouble you. will begin to trouble you. That is that for concerning Ambassador Osayomore Joseph. Now there is this thing I was hearing that the Edo State Public School, what just happened, was it not yesterday, at the junior secondary school of Idogbo, the principal of the junior secondary school of Idogbo and the senior secondary school of Idogbo, and Oka Primary School, the junior principal, the principal of the junior secondary school, and Niger College, the principal of the junior secondary school of Niger College, that they have all been suspended because of illegal activity. Now, I heard that school uniform was supposed to cost 3,000 naira, and principal will collect up to 16,000 naira from students. And especially the Niger College principal, I have been hearing about that woman. The Niger College principal, I have heard so much about you, how you have been giving tough time to the student, because I am a pioneer student of Niger College. We started Niger College in 1980. I am one of the pioneers, and I graduated from that school. So we have formed a group called a Niger College Student Association called NICOSA. We are even on Facebook, and we have our meeting every first Saturday of the month at Excalibur Hotel at Tete Road, GROA. That hotel is now called a Golden Tulip Hotel. The first Saturday of every month. That is where we had meeting. And it has come to our notice that this woman has been taking children's money, giving them unnecessary levy, putting them under a lot of pressure. And we have tried to talk to this woman on many occasions, and she refused to listen. Now Nemesis have caught up with you. So I'm going to talk to the association. They are going to take up the case, and they are going to see it to a logical conclusion until these children are free from your claws. How can we send children to school? You begin to levy them unnecessarily. 3,000 uniform, you collect 16,000. What you wanted the money do? Now I also heard they went to Niger College and put a telecommunication mask. Telecommunication mask in the school compound. When you know that this thing have radiations that can affect the student, you allowed it without the approval from Ministry of Education. And you allow that thing to be installed in the school. We are going to make sure that you remove that mask from that school. Remove that mask from that school. The way you are turning children, you want to kill education in the state. We are even saying that Edo State children don't go to school enough. You want to kill the few that are going there. The few that are going there, you are trying to kill them. Now, look at all of you that is mostly involved are junior secondary school principals. Why are you not taking example from the senior secondary school principals? Now you just come, you don't want to, you think say they're not wise, rich, they don't want to chop money. Now I want chop money pass. So, my people, I'm talking to parents now. If your parents are going to public school, if they make unnecessary demands, money that they are not supposed to ask for, go and report them to the appropriate authorities. You cannot make children to become, some of you bring what they call it, you bring melon to school and share it for your student to be breaking. Now melon, the children go break for school. Now melon, they go break for school. Some of you will fry chin-chin and be selling to students instead of you to teach. You will fry puff-puff. You'll be selling it to children. Then if you know the salary of a teacher is not enough for you, resign. Resign. And you, for God's sake, you even have extra time to do business if you want to do. If you close by 2 o'clock, from 2 o'clock to the evening, what are you doing? You can do your private business in the house, not in the school. Once you are in school, face what you are there to do. Stop giving children things to sell. Stop giving children melon to break for you. Let educate what the children came to school to do. Let them do it. Let them do it. Let them let them learn what they left home to come and learn. So stop doing this thing you are doing. It is bad. It is bad. Stop doing this thing you are doing. It is very, very bad. Don't levy children with extra burden. The way you are doing it now, private school becomes cheaper than public school. Then we are crying that a lot of people are going to private school. Why would they not go to private school? When you are turning, we are saying the school the school is underfunded, and you are adding more burden to the school. And that reminds me again, the state government should make sure enough money goes to the school so that the principals can take care of the school. Because, for God's sake, fence fall for school and you are levying children to come and build fence. Why? Why should children come and build fence for you? Why should a school fence fall? If the fence of the school fall, then you write to the Ministry of Education. Let them come. Yes, like our association, Niger College Old Student Association, NICOSA, when Niger College fence fell, we went there and we saw what happened. The association took it upon ourselves to mend the fence, because some of us are already well to do. God has blessed some of us. Thank God. Now we levy ourselves and we build that fence for that school. That is what association is to do, not for the children that are coming. And a bad principal will also, now what some of this school will do, they will not even tell the student that the school old students have done the work. They will now take the money from us after to do the work, and they will also levy the school children to come and pay for the work, without telling them that the Old Student Association is the one that have paid for that job. That is what some of these people are doing. So we are going, please, when you hear anything that they are doing that is not right, please shout out. Shout out. Write it on Facebook, because the organized media has failed us. The newspaper, they have killed newspaper now. They've killed television. Television belongs to billionaires. So they now censor what is written there. But thank God for Facebook, for social media. They cannot restrict what we say. So when you see anything that is going wrong, say it out. If you know any group or any organization that is vanguarding things like this, write to them. They will speak out. If you write to me, I will speak out. Write to me. You can call me. My telephone is there. You can call me if there is an issue you want us to discuss online. You can call me. We can discuss it. Because this one is too much. It is too much. So, and I want to, because now they have just restricted this action now to just 4 schools. Oka Primary School, Oka Secondary School, Niger College, Idogbo, and Idogbo. I think 3 schools now. Just 3 schools, and all these 3 schools are only in one local government. Ikpoba local government. Are you not telling me the other local government in the state are not having this kind of thing? Why should you isolate? I'm talking now to the Commissioner of Education or Subeb, is it, or whoever is responsible for this activity right now that we are talking about. You should do beyond just 3 schools in one local government. Other local governments are like that. Why don't you go out to other local government? If you make isolated dismissal like that or a suspension like that, people will not fear you. Sabogi Daura is far from Idogbo. Esako is far from Ekpoba. So if you want to do something, let it be an exercise that you do at a go. Visit, make it a point of duty to visit schools unannounced and ask students questions. Ask the children questions about their principals, about their school. If you want to sanitize the situation, don't just because maybe one person hates one person and they came to report to you and you just go there and you suspend that person and you go back to your office and sleep. If this thing is happening, if you can suspend 4 principals in one local government in 3 schools, that is to tell you that this thing is happening in a lot of places. So go far, visit every school, not just selected schools. Visit another local government. Make sure that you sanitize the state. Make sure you sanitize the state educational system, because if you make education palatable, children will want to go to school. But when education become the way it is, everybody will lose interest. Even Nigerian government and Nigerian politicians have made us to lose interest in education already, because they have shown us that you don't even need to be educated to be rich. All you need to do is to have a bad mind and a wicked spirit to be rich. That is what they are doing. Politicians, they don't care about you, how educated you are, because they are even rejecting educated people from getting into any position. All you want to get into a position is to know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody. They don't give, especially this particular government, they don't care about excellence. They don't care about how good you are. As long as you know me and I know you, that's all they need. So you are not still going to break our spirit in education, because we know the importance of education. We must be educated and we must educate our children. We must educate our children, and that is for that. Now, there is this Enogies and Odion race in Edo land. I have found out that you are one of the problem of this Fulani herdsmen terrorists. You are one of the people that is helping them. It has come to my knowledge that some Enogies in Edo land and some Odion Weres, they will go to Miyetti Allah. This Miyetti Allah is the body association of cattle rearers in Nigeria. Miyetti Allah will go to a village and give money to the Odion Were of that village or the Enogie of that village. And the Enogie will pocket the money and will allow them to go into the bushes to go and rear their animals. And in the process, the animals will now go into farmers' farms and begin to eat their crops and begin to destroy their crops. And the Odion, when the farmers come to the Odion Weres are not talking. The Enogies are not talking because of one stupid 100,000 naira they bribe you with. Now, back in the day, we used to say, Fulani no get sense. Hausa no get sense. Now, people who will say no get sense, they just come with money, they give it to you, and they enter one farm. The money they will destroy in one farm is 10 times more than what they gave to you. Is there sense in that? And when the people are crying, you don't do nothing. You don't do nothing. And when they shout, they kill them, yet you don't do nothing. They kill people in your land, you don't say anything because you have taken bribe. We want to speak to the Odion Weres that are taking money from cattle rearers. Odion Were and the Enogies that are taking money from cattle rearers. Please stop. Please stop. If you begin to do the way you are doing, these Hausa people, they will not stop, and they will continue to destroy the crops of your people and begin to kill your people. I think the Oba Obini should call the Enogies and the Odion Were to order. They should call them to order. Now that is why the other day the House of Assembly said they want to do a grazing bill. They want to give them land. You want to give Fulani land in Edo State, so that you cut land for them in some communities. It will become their own land. They will be rearing their animals there. As if if they are rearing their animal there, as if you are going to fence that land around. And if you give them such passport, you have given them authority to begin to kill your people. Please, Enogies, Odion Weres, House of Assembly, stop this. We don't want Fulani herdsmen to be killing our people. We don't want them to be destroying our crops. There is hunger enough in the land. There is poverty enough in the land. Our people cannot feed themselves. They cannot have enough money from their crops, and yet they will suffer. Do you know? Sometimes the most painful part is this. Sometimes most of these farmers have children from who live in the city, some who live abroad. When it's time for for farming, they will now tell you, oh, imami go yafi, oh, gwali go ye guveni yafi, imami go yafi. Then you will send money to them, and after they've spent the money to cultivate, Then one Fulani from nowhere will just come and meet Enogie and bribe Enogie with some stupid 50,000 or 100,000 or John Were. They will bribe you with some stupid money. You put that in your pocket and you allow them to go into the bushes to go and destroy the crops of your neighbor. What kind of a leader are you? That John Were no wehin. That we no gain wehin. Eh? No gain in Do you know the meaning of Ojowe? Do you know the meaning of Enogie? There are people directly under you. They should benefit from your leadership. If people are not benefiting from your leadership, they should rise up against you. Any Ojowe who is taking bribe, that is, and the bribe who take bribe from the Fulani men, the villagers should rise up against that Ojowe. They should come to the palace and cry before the Oba, or they should come to Facebook, tell us, and we take up the issue. What kind of Ojowe are you? What kind of an Enogie are you? How can you take money from Fulani men, you put it in your pocket, and you know that if Fulani, one cow can eat more than 100,000 of that money. In some cases, the money they give you is even some flimsy 20,000 naira. And you will collect it and put it in your pocket. If Hausa people want to rear animal, they should go to Sambisa forest and rear animal. They say Sambisa forest is very large. It's as large as 4 different states. 4 states put together. That is Sambisa forest. They can, all the animals, all the cows to feed the whole of Africa. They can rear them there. Let them take all their animals to Sambisa forest. When they are ready to sell, they can transport it there for selling. Have you not been so they do our own? The yam, whatever we export them, do we go and farm it in their land? We farm in our land. And when we finish the processing of the farm, we export for sale. Why can't they farm in their land? Whatever it is they are farming, even if it is cow, let them farm it in their land. If they farm it when it reach maturity, they want to sell, they can export it to sell. Must they carry some bambino, haga-looking cow, malu, and be eating people's crops to come destroy people's means of livelihood, just to come and rear their animal because you want to eat cow meat? If person don't eat cow meat, then they die. Oyibo kesedo mawarukpon. Egene do epepo mana isedo mawarukpon. Mara amokpa. So if the Fulani, because our leaders are the biggest problem we have. Our leaders are the biggest problem we have. There is so much bribery and corruption in the society, and everybody is thinking of himself. You don't think about your neighbor. The most painful part is that there are people under you and you say you are their leader. All you know is how to look for money. You sell land, you sign land, and you take bribe. If government project come, you put it in the pocket. There is nothing you are doing. And any Enogie who cannot affect his environment is a useless Enogie. How can you be Enogie? There is no primary school in your area, in your domain. There is no dispensary in your domain. There is no library in your domain. What are you Enogie of? Enogie of what? What are you doing? As the most painful part is that these current crops of Enogies are youth, young men. I've been opportune to meet some of them. They are very young and vibrant. Some all of them are even coming from Europe to come and take their father's throne as Enogie. And I know some of you, and you are bright young men. If you are Enogie, in 5 years you have not been able to affect your environment, you are not Enogie. If you have not been able to affect your environment, if all you do is to begin to sell land in your environment and put money in your pocket and build palace and build houses, if that is what you do as Enogie, you are a useless Enogie. Yes, I say it. Because as Enogie, there are things that are not in your environment that you should put there. I know most Enogies are a conglomeration of different villages. Some about 10 villages make up your domain. Some 5 villages make up your domain. Of all the 5 villages, some of the villages don't even have primary school. No secondary school. No dispensary. Public health system is not there. No library there. There is not even good road. You cannot even mobilize the people to make good road to access their farms. You call yourself Enogie. All you do is to sell land and sign paper and put in your pocket. You are useless Enogie. You are useless Odionwere. Odionwere or Enogie who cannot put the interest of his people before his stomach is not a good leader. It's not a good leader. If you are the type of Enogie or the type of Odionwere who will take money from Fulani herdsmen and put in your pocket and let the Fulani cow begin to destroy the crops of your people, the people you are supposed to be ruler over, if you are that kind of human being, you are not a good leader. Change your ways. Change your way before the people begin to rise up against you. Change your ways. It's not about buying double-barrel gun and taking license from the police and terrorizing your community. That is not what a Enogie is. A Enogie is a mini king. Just the way the Oba is to the whole Edo kingdom. That is how you are to your kingdom. You are a duke. In the English word, a Enogie is a duke. They rule over a people, and the interest of the people is their concern, not their pocket. If your pocket is the only thing you know as a Enogie, is a shame. If it's only you that is prospering in that society, is a shame. Even if you sell the people's land, even if you sell the people's land. Hello, let me just take this. Yes, hello. Hello. Yeah, my sister Koyo. Anihin. Okay, God bless you, my sister Koyo. Hey, life is ye. Hey, Bawa now. Do you know how we contribute to him? Where say my sister? Where say my sister? God bless you. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, my sister. Where am I? Oma eva iya do emu. And manoro na manabe unwa. Osotire si magbe wa kwe. Matter, you know. Matter, no, my sister. Matter, no, my sister. Who is it? Maya Mamosoguya Yagwan room that way. Ke governor Kobama, my way I feel beg your ba, but Obaima, in my car, no, no, with the lock bonania. Also, my man, I own I quick one. So, okay, where Adaka no Salobo Arine, ne Nikaweri, ne Manivia Doveri, no young win anima. Okay, no young win anima. Okay, no Gua, your runda, Guarine, Osamore cake, Bami Amuye. So, my sister Koyo, where's he, Mawa he said, God bless you. In Frankfurt, ye. Stuttgart, you way. Okay, God bless you, my sister. We family will do, where's he? Yeah, man. My people, that is that. As I was saying, our Enogies and our Odionwere, they should sit up. They should have the interest of the people under them at heart. They should not just begin to think of their pocket. If you sell the land of the community, it is for you to do good to the community. Now, let me say this. Any Enogie that did not reserve land for primary school, that did not reserve land for secondary school, and did not reserve land for hospital or a clinic, community clinic, and did not reserve land for a community civic center, that person is not a good Enogie. Every community that has Enogie you should reserve land, a very big land, for primary school, for secondary school, and for hospital or clinic, for primary health center, and for a civic center. These 4 places you should reserve in your community. When you reserve it, then you now make sure there is an edit supporting that nobody should sell it until a government that can come and do something in those land comes. Yeah, let me take this one, please. Yes, hello. Hey, call your argument going. Princess. Okay, God bless you, my sister. Wesley, thanks for calling.
Wesley, I'm very proud of you. I'm just listening to what you are saying. God will bless you with more wisdom, more understanding in Jesus' name.
Wesley, my sister, God bless you. Wesley.
Leader of Edo State. He pray where was Alobabe Ario Boy Yavio. Ni ave Dani, Mutana, ni ave Wimai. Then Edo State then Ohiana, and no bad choice.
It's a disgrace, my sister. It's so disgraceful. Exactly.
Nothing like home. Home is home.
Exactly.
So, this is a big blow to the palace because so we are here where this is the time for them to prove to me the foreigner where yes Magdalena do without Yamana where radio I don't know, it will be a disgrace to them. That means we don't have a leader anymore in Edo State. So let them rise up.
And what I know, my sister, God bless you.
I'm very proud of you. Thank you very much.
Where's my sister, Princess? When we have a tiny, and your family have a time in my hair, and no real baby may toggle me on, why they are toggle what? Normally TV with live video. When we have a home now, why they are shy, why give me no home because only a para going in a home. Imanibura going in a home. Or you be not beer or beer or mig bene, for example. Okbado atawe o amegbe baba e baba kan say yo oh we okay we na riba esin 20k na o amegbo egbe oluku agbe yan ata yo ho but yan na wa vela de pa so doso e baba uruwe baba wa amegbe ma ti okbaba na pa gbe ne o is a serious matter.
Exactly.
My sister. Okay. Wesley.
We will continue to talk about it.
Well, Wesley. God bless you, my sister. God bless you, Wesley. Bye bye. My people, thank you very much for calling in. Those people that have just called, I thank you for calling in. God bless you. May you know what I can give you. Because you know Osege, I see me a woman. Osege, I see me a woman. Well, let's see. Let me pick this one up. Yes, hello. Oh, let's see one. Hello, who's talking, please? Call your loud. I can see volume telephone where we talk.
Okay, if you want Kabo, congratulate you. When you can Kabo, also morning or what Kabo with my bay and they are from Luzebu. I can't want to make it.
Okay, where's my brother?
Information is very right.
Exactly.
And I will also tell you that to be no go na save my number. We will take the next time I will go.
Okay.
I do a lot of no DM every year.
Exactly. Okay. So iya mo mi la gin awo wa every year. Oh, the Jesus remember iya gba we mi la wa. Mhm. Very.
Of course. Ask anybody.
Okay. My brother. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All of them, they are all crazy. They are hungry people.
Where's my brother? Me ma na table no ma rock the platform now. That is one thing. When we
They have to stop it.
exactly
Even we're now is the rightful information.
no, maybe why because don't be right maybe Thailand because a platform women ania you no guy authentic information ne can give imagwale ave rumor gossip emi agbon no kaibo ma kan tamana authentic news we onona omalobi ko kan say ado time no do o kan mu okay.
I just call you because of that information you give me, and I the same thing, and I knew. I found that. And
Yeah.
everyone have friends, they are checking. They are doing this kind of thing every December. They go with fucking cow to sell our crops for them.
I want to know. Anybody, my brother, West, they don't know anywhere buying. Why anywhere buying? My West, God bless. My brother sounds very, very angry. Only him aware where even away or boy. Don't call me on Messenger on Facebook Live. If you want to call me, call the telephone number that I put there, please. And maybe after the live, if you want to talk to me personally, after you sign out, you can call me on Messenger, please. That is that. Let me quickly, please, be working call. Let me quickly address if the brother from Sweden, Taiwan. Because of where we know you was in a debare. Yeah, you are a Muari, you are son, you really me, no me like company. Never fear. In your pan me, my brother. Too wrong does not make it right. You cannot go and endanger yourself because we answer there are anybody that is aggrieved. Ni awe no magba nave fulani or mila lugbo well lao emopia emwagbada emosisi. Go to the appropriate quarter and register your anger and your grievances. Go to the police, register your grievances, and come to Facebook. Then what we'll do, maybe as time goes on, a lot of people will form an association on how to be tackling this issue. Because my where Mieti Allah, police commissioner, Ekbigo Yamugiyan, even Otereta Ebania, or where Ave no Guinea Boom, Emila, Evian Samugian, Pupo. We can run the Emile 150,000 naira or 200,000 naira. No, we say Obaloje, Evie Evo Imana when we agba always no gi. So only me itaro. So ave no gi wala o imebe inya. O say not about any ba negatiebo because we want to table a platform now. Ma na table. Ma na be asweni. Isweni yo normal o nema o edan. So only so now if you have anything to call, you can call now. But when you make a tie, see any no gay, no why amwewo ni dayi. Let there be land for primary school, secondary school, health center, and civic center. These 4 things all can one in the community where. That my boy get land anywhere or be signboard your way. This land is a proposed site for so and so community primary school. Or the primary and secondary school could be but it's a proposed site for secondary and primary school. Then the other one is a proposed site for health center. The other one is a proposed site for civic center. When you go your but especially when you know Guinea Boon wa hiyo ton ya o ton wa hiene o wa o ruwa o revo no wa me me kevori ewo ni mekere no giro bet odio we ro ani ya we hiyo towo when wa we hiyo toni wa be odona awe 5% you know when evora hiyo ton ya awe 5% why the yaza awe azana for the next 5 years, I you bokai. Or if you not really large way after 5 years, I have a civic center. Our civic center panel. Do you because of that civic center alone? If you ever when you do or on a city, you are on a Igwe do a relax. How do I relax? Have a weekend, have a big weekend. I have a relax, I have a sport, I have a tennis, no, I have a bay, I have a huemo, I have a huemo, I have a moy, I have a ton, and then on with Pami, no, a young with Pami, then on with mineral, young with mineral. Eriokin or G, even here, a bobo, a worry, while I was going to game with phone. Hello? Hello? Your turn. When again? My baby, ko you una ya call a messenger over here.
I'm so happy to see you.
We see ra video.
Messenger manako.
Erima we ni me na real life na no. One way I call a messenger or interrupt a video man. Ko you how you doing? Because you're out Spain. Then we are contribute here.
No, I'm so happy because of course I'm already here because now one day with his music I grew up. You understand? So it really pains me. Apart from this match, you know,
exactly.
You understand? Because or whatever they believe or they pray that they should release that man because the thing is so painful.
I'm not turning him.
So it affects me.
So it's something over border agmo because do we Udin Ranama Samori is a very popular figure and he has been making us proud. Mabeka we ivie do my emani buno no we popular no ladia. Kere ne wa ladia wa be akuli alawa.
Ikpi wa wo.
Koyo.
I just stay here and they are not doing anything about it.
Nothing.
Because all this they are blog, all this Nigerian news, I mean anything like that with Facebook, they are not talking about it at all. Apart from we that in Facebook, we bring them out where
Exactly. So we have to wake up. All the thing. We are when we move the government. Here we rock by. A government when I am you when on a book of economy a task. Enya thinking. Ohoni no fie ka abukpo ani. Enya thinking every man imagine. Because mama go anya we mi ya say. Iya ye na re okokodan. O wa mi opa we agba.
Yeah. Anyways, you people should still keep on trying while we are going every day. So that the thing we get to then where something is going on in those states.
Where's Koyo?
Vamos, I really appreciate. I'm so happy to see you. I hope you will come out again.
Now, I've been doing this for some few times now, so by God's grace, I hope to continue. God bless you, my dear. Koyo.
Bless you,
Where
sir. God bless you.
Yeah, bye. So that is that for, like I was saying, like what the sister just said, they will not do anything unless we talk. And they will not do anything if few people are talking. They can only do something when a lot of people are talking. So the governor should rise up. The Oba of Benin should call the governor and the police commissioner to the palace and ask them questions because so I can please let me pick this phone. Yes, hello.
Hello, Padomo.
My tenant no gonna call you.
Domo sa.
Anyway, what can go Okay, God bless you. Gumagwa.
You were talking about these
yes.
That the farmers or the affected people should call to the appropriate authority. That is not a bad idea. When you are living in a society in the narrow, and there is no punishment. There is no reward for doing good, and there is no punishment for doing something bad.
Yeah.
So, Ebonima is a lawless place.
Yeah.
Understand it now. When we no ya have a government police but even if they do that, there is nothing will change. There will be no action. Those authorities here take any action.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that people should go to like a violence meet, but they are in a very difficult situation. You know, I feel very sorry for them because the authorities in the West are not even effective. Nothing works in Nigeria.
My brother.
And you also highlighted something very good. And having no key, when we were woman, you talking in
exactly.
So, you know, a platform of social media, who create awareness in the minority, like a society. The Nokia should always reserve a land for school, that civic center, and the health center.
Yeah.
It's very, very important to understand in here.
Yeah.
My understand the life in radio. They sell everything. And I feel told I think to after we got that. And I hear to Yavel. So there are some things my the government is doing. Understand in here. The web on Imagina, they can have a cook in Beluro.
Yeah. Awaro.
Yes. So okay, the Mara aim high. Instead of the Madoya, going community. The government, this is 2017, there should be grazing place for them.
Exactly.
I want when no, we have to a lot of people civilized in there now.
And what I know?
Our grazing meet from 15 or something, 16th century, 19th century, even 20th century. That area. You understand? So
I am my brother.
Certain action needs to be taken. I so much agree with your point.
For
that area of
a hospital, primary health care, and civic center. We see.
So it's something very good. The woman, I own a road. Understanding
Okay.
So amount of do China Gabedonia. I been one professor 2 days ago.
Exactly.
So, you know, I mean, if you to know you will be a great asset.
Exactly, my brother.
So it's a great deal where nobody can go home.
Exactly. That's exactly my sentiment. Because if you buy a dinner, even if you do Virginia, when we are in Japan, or Europe, or America, or Asia, a parents in my area will you say, yeah, we go, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It's something good for the state. But when this kind of rubbish is going on,
yes, the man of the people, Saimore, who have been fighting for the masses all his career, Ayamo Saimore. Then that means even the ordinary man is active.
Okay, any caller, 3 minutes. Oh my brother, thank you very much. My brother, God bless you for your interest.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you for your interest. God bless you. You see, in your there is one thing not time or way in Nigeria is a lawless society. And every Europe and America or Western society na follow a law that a government is there or report here my police a government is there which is exactly correct. But in your plan where a society, a government na can take him away my mimi rock or see any and I go ayemema. They feel where nobody's good. Well, police station ya complain our end. But a time should come where we should speak with loud voices. That is Agmoya Agwaladia at the same time. Anyway, isolated voices. Also, now make a paraboni ban or be an omigbe. Okpana tuwo and egbien ni rise yo betin igbina wa ro pa we wa egbien or 8 of them na wa egbien era as yo because on yen we on yo be careful only metaba and this there should be platform where people begin to make noise. Also right now not take to social media no with a lot of agitations the social media ewe ni awu ema o otewa ma ebe na be owo kan jire di mofi da osa ave ranomigo no re America edegbe ave okekie ave stainless ave Monica Ambrose even this boy and near where is Galatians native doctor no Holland. These people they are all talking different maybe you making eye have a topic in your take or a gossip. Nana tie bonera iti agberagbiye iti ayelala. They should stop all those things. They might make it taking it serious. Also, me now in carbon in viewers in please. Uga comment etie bono marokba. Uga comment etie no and just go to straight to the point of a nutie and just speak your mind and let it end like that. So that on a platform not clean, people will take you seriously. If a platform is clean, people will take you seriously. But when you begin to debase yourself and insult people and begin to turn it to a tout congregation, I'm not going to take you seriously. So please, I want to call him and they will call. So Eriono. So my brother, we'll begin to talk en mass. There should be a lot of mass movement. So that people begin to talk. Before there should be like there's somebody like David Ugolo of Edo, a man on the area of Egunwayi. There is Austin Osakwela, and I know on the area of Egunwayi. I want to talk about like this boy about Obaze. I like the boy because of they forceful and they eloquent and they intelligent. But the only thing all they one-sided when it comes to political issues. Not kind APC government. Only me. Although what I will do, I will try and talk to him one-on-one. Maybe no. He should remove politics when he deal with issue, so that now the government now we need our time. It can now improve our time. So Eriono, so every Fulani headsmen now, for God's sake, where to work bow and agmodine, a governor guan, a no gay guan, the whole village guan. Only community ne gbe very on us no ke ni whole community in veladian the whole community veladian erunda ewe amaka mai we o vi won sunu da e mai de no sunu da we egbo de no sunu na we e ore ogbe Fulani o we lare o wa li o we because do we ukono zo we yan gbe o mai we ara gbero ma egbe agbe so eri ono ekene ya we ara agba o iwe we go avie o si enu na me we ame ala oladia ihin ya lewe ladia eri do tai so eteme ni ga wala wagima so wa ame community no kwere enogi no ro wa tamaewe wa no ewe de kina ha be school yi a community na because here are hioto ne emonu we bi eri mi ro pa benefit. That thing I hear to for, but hotel school na yariva, hotel hospital na yariva, hotel civic center na yariva. A mon I be in another 100 years, then you benefited from that school. That is the thing. So any community name any of this thing on ground, or my swing, and any enogi, no woo or man your pan or boy your talk, either or my big. There is one community there, or you were of where Okwaya community iya vario ode agba odo wa hin okede wa mi police station pa no rewa iye na wa be police station iya ri born and then na the commissioner police ni ari police again iya na the DPO again na the police ari ani so you can also do that for your community where I be anywhere I be a police station where I must say about 5 rooms no where now where a boy where a community now boy when the police near police commissioner of police who donate any year they will bring police to your community a community no even police in a sanity lawa where I mean that's no before say community where 2 hours but now under 20 minutes here I drive you. If it comes to the worst, why to Guali wa we no tokpa, wa dima tokpa wa pente wa we munia. Near police community, on your enogi. On your enogi, on your dion way for the benefited the people no rototo way. So on your pame when ni me waji eteme so wa lao your pani me oni marita make so called day. Oh, where a government man, because in those states in my industry a factory in your pyro na yakin go ebuni. Wa don't even know what bolosenia. When I don't know what bolose, the only business no ware do beer parlor. Dovi no siro do wa anyone or wa jiveri because wa said do na dey no e beer parlor everywhere dey no in Miami go we doing ero bende beauty no tereva in agbekie do line in agbekie upila cement factory in agbekie. There is nothing that there is no single factory that can employ people in the state. No one. Now, even here hotel. Okay, a hotel, beer parlor, land for sale, bus transport. Okay, God bless you. Pure water. Ubere in a business na mi do. Yahweh. A pure water, yani de tuke ihe detukutka mu ye transport only a business na ego no masa anwe na masa anwe pepper soup well whereas factories no gele factory rock by redo egene de mana ame bende brewery egene de mana ame Ukpila cement factory egene de mana ame Edo line. But right now, none of them no really exist. The only thing we do we na ogbo, we regbo. Ogbo ni ekeri na wa regbo, me honi awe wa arigwo mokwa. Obaseki ohien otugbo no rigwo mokwa, ohien ni Presco. When ma igwo na nia, iwie do ri mieke na mugbo, iwie do ni rigwo mokwa mieke na mugbo because the Presco do talk. Ubere okay na chọrọ bagi nọrọ po ene Presco doni okay amawe ne Presco we doctor but egboto video na wa ahia wa dera yokpa no na mewa miwe a business ro no amoye one acre or 1 hectare of land also a state in Yama for life. A dome mineral resources no boom. I mean, I hear up, even a Yahweh ties already, Otedo. Now Yahweh ties, Otedo. A chalky now, Yahweh chalk or Otedo. Have a minerals no boom or Warotedo. But the state government is not doing anything. Oshomole wa Reonata lot bia po ogwazibu. Yen wa zelebo mo bia do wa pobo na osho baba egbe kinoba mado America. Yen wa zelebo agbon ya mi na ata. Oni na do zibu. O izibu ni mane mana pobo yoyi onakpa. Then otima na rona oviri ni age Obaseki. On a tezebo, but already yo, and now okay, oma, we know we are going with businessman, no, ogwedano, ogwe, we are here, a Dangote way business, my business here do, and now okay. No, yara on ya Miami business of Pano, and your pan me or unia, or away or Hyoton, if you do ya mugbo, norigo mokwa, or muhien. So, wala I'm not Basaki, what am wala watame wa egbe me ba eruda imaye wa mi okpa no we emi okpa pataki no ewu we okpa no egbe na vekiti na we emi okpa no ewu watamame. But as far as I'm concerned, I have not seen anything on ground no ewu. The only thing he has said obuye na mwe na fiotoni bi igabai ni ya aso emila na la we primary school or my way rockba. Emila Nagbo Okada, if you answer Nagbo Okada, or my way rockba. If you answer Nagbo Wekbo Tessa, or my way rockba. Yen Nagbo Belema Yokoriomo, or my way rockba Maguayo. So, here we are going in Maragua. And we should begin to talk. The more we talk, the more our voice become louder. And the more our voice become louder, they will be forced to listen. Iriono, they will be forced to listen. Eteme Wawesi for sitting down and listening to me. I believe with you and myself coming together, we will be able to discuss things that pertain to our society, topical issues. No, we want us to be talking things that are affecting you and I as a people. Very weirdo. When I sing you sing never when I dole doji or hekini ma gao wala can sign out wala share program now wa share the war next time you see me online, please just share and invite your friends. And may God bless you all. I know that as long as we stand together, we will succeed. Ima homyo to obi ma agbaya. Imi no iya we on where omakunu good worki okpanu good worki. A commissioner of police Mario Sayomore Joseph Ladian ima ahwero ruwedoni Obaseki Oma total say no so win and say they do next election ima werurua. So anointed na ke dole do yi de gbe ti budi ayupo ni. Ima we are not going to take the bulls by the horn. Ma to be ma ke sinu sigine we ma. Ima ke agwa. So why ani ka agwa osaloba de bawa. Why I no we share if video no osaloba ave de bawa. Emi no ama no nu wa e kan e wa. Emi no wa wish emi no maya no wa wish egbu wa osaloba get do na no wa we ni Jesus. God bless you. Those of you who did not hear what I just said, I just want to thank you all for being part of this program and participating. And please share this program so that other people can see and watch and benefit from it. And when you see me online, please, before you start commenting, start sharing and invite your friends to come and be part of it, because we want to be discussing topical issues that has nothing to do with gossip, issues that are transient, that are tangible, that affect you and I, that we can both benefit from. So this is the kind of issues I want us to be talking about. And with you and I together, we will do better things for our state. God bless you. And until I see you again, may you live in good atmosphere. God bless you. Bye-bye.